Hi, today we're going to use Miriam's Earthen Cookware to make some scrumptious chicken broth. It'll take about 50 minutes, and I'm going to show you all the ingredients that you need to use to make this wonderful broth. We're going to use about 6 cloves of garlic. You want to make sure that you put everything into the pot first so that you can get all of your ingredients in one place. I'm going to use about a teaspoon of oregano, a teaspoon of sea salt, a teaspoon of whole peppercorns, very important, 3 sprigs of thyme, 2 bay leaves. You're going to use 2 I quartered them, makes it easier, onions, 3 celery stalks, and 3 carrots. The great part about it is the scrumptious chicken that you're going to add to it. Now this is about 2.5 pounds of chicken, just kind of remains. I like to have a lot of the chicken still left on it so that it gives it a little bit more flavor. So you want to use about 2 pounds, and you're going to use 2 to 3 quarts of water. Now with the 2 to 3 quarts, because of the way that this great cookware cooks your food, you'll only want to use half of the water first. Now that all your ingredients are together, you're going to turn the stove onto low, and you're going to cook it on low for about 10 minutes. After your pot has been cooking for 10 minutes, you're going to want to turn the heat up to medium and add the rest of your water, which is about a quart and a half. This helps to reduce the cooking time. Now that your pot's been cooking for roughly 25-30 minutes, the smell is amazing. Absolutely amazing. You're going to want to take off the lid and see if there's some foam that has been building up, and you'll want to scoop off the foam. We're going to reduce the heat down and let it cook for 10 minutes. After you've cooked it for 10 minutes on low, you're going to want to take it off the heat and let it cool all the way down. After it's cooled down, you're going to make sure that you strain all of the broth into the best smelling pot. You're going to have roughly 4 to 6 servings that you can use, and everybody's going to completely enjoy. Make sure you try this broth.